Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Bose Portable Home Speaker to your any Android device. So in order to do this, first let's power on this speaker by holding this button.
Battery 100%. Connecting to ZenFone 7 Pro.
Now click on this Bluetooth.
Ready to connect.
You should hear this sound, ready to connect. Now let's scroll down our Bluetooth settings on this the phone. From here, make sure that your phone is on, phone Bluetooth is on. Here, go for pair new device. We'll need to wait till all devices right here load. And here we can find Bose Portable Smart Speaker. So let's click on it. It should start pairing.
Vivo X80 Pro connected.
And now we just paired this speaker with this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.